Alright guys, it is that time again, a new season of Fortnite. I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually excited. It's been a while since I've been excited for a season of Fortnite, and I don't know why, but I just am. A couple theories have been going around, like obviously because the storm turned into water, maybe some sort of underwater season. I don't know. I've steered clear of all spoilers and everything since, but hey, I'm excited to check it out. I know you guys are too. Let's do it. This looks cool. Okay, you got my attention. This looks pretty cool. I get the water thing, so I think we're right about the water thing. It looks like everything's kind of messed up over here. I really like this skin over here, the demon one with the horns. Oh, look at the owl with the wings. What is that? Is that a glider? Is that some sort of a vehicle, like a mech vehicle? Well, there better not be any updates. Wait, did I see AQUAMAN? Oh, I should up my graphic settings before this. Mine is. Yeah, I like Meowscles. Oh, those are new skins? Oh, no. Some of those are new for sure. Bro, it's literally AQUAMAN. Wait, it's actually AQUAMAN. What? It's actually what? Oh wow, this thing is all messed up, huh? So I guess you're gonna be able to water ski. They always do a great job with these intros. Whoa, no way. And alt for the Renegade. Whoa, this looks insane, dude. I'm excited. Check out the battle pass.
Welcome to the waves and to your very own Fortilla. Here you can unlock challenges and buy the battle pass to recruit this unsinkable crew of drifters. This little stowaway is Kit. Oh, they grow up so fast. I invited AQUAMAN. He said yes. So I said, can you wear a shirt? He said, no. Then there's Jules, master engineer.
I can't believe they got AQUAMAN. I had no clue. I guess it makes sense though.
Explore the Fortilla to meet everyone in our crew. Plus, check out the Builder Brother. With the battle pass, you can design your own.
That's cool.
By the end of the season, it'll be uniquely yours. Throughout your adventure, there'll be new areas to explore, new ways to get around, and hot new surprises. Watch out! So, buy the battle pass and unlock your team of drifters. Start designing your custom power, earn 1,500 V-Bucks, and more. So what are you waiting for, mate?
Chug Jugs are back. Oh, wow. So a lot of this really is underwater. Holy crap. I'm pretty excited, boys. Buy the battle pass. Duh. Why would we not buy the battle pass? Duh. Her name's Ocean? Fade? I like him. He looks cool. I like his hair. Scuba Jonesy? I like Scuba Jonesy. I just get excited about skins. Jules is cool. She's reactive. She's actually pretty badass. Oh, this guy's at to level 50. Oh, it's an extra option for Fade. Okay, nice. That's pretty cool, actually. Siona, yeah, I like her. Ooh, she got. Oh, I like that. Eternal Night. Okay, I kind of like that. Oh, so that's Fade all the way upgraded. Cool. I like it, man. Wow, look at all this stuff. Well, okay, let's get into it. Let's just dive in. Screw it. Seems like almost too much of the map is water. But I think there's new ways to travel. There's new cars, like jet skis, water skis, and shit. I think you can have sharks drag you around on water skis.
What?
Yeah, sharks with freaking laser beams on their head. Yeah, there's definitely got to be a quicker way of getting around because so much of this map is water. You can also
like before where it has a current and shit.
It seems pretty stagnant, to be honest, a lot of it. I wonder if these sharks kill you, mans, though. I got another charge truck. I gotta figure out how this shit works, bro. Oh, you have to hold down the button. I don't know how I feel about that. Mad zip lines though, I can fuck with that.
I think it's because I'm low on space.
Maybe. Fuck.
Is anyone streaming Fortnite anymore?
Yeah, everybody's coming back for this like right now.
Fucking losers.
I mean, I'm streaming it right now too.
Loser. There we go. Let's see what my boy's up to. I'll be back soon.
Get owned, bro.
Who is this streamer?
God, there's too many good guns on to do right now. Dude, this fucking alert is annoying. Where is this man? What is that man's goal?
This map is crazy, huh? Look at all that water.
I know, this is Weeping Woods? Damn, RIP.
Oh my god. What are you supposed to do out there?
That's what I'm saying. I just want to land on somebody. I just want to make sure I'm in circle first, though. Ow. Alright, buddy, you're persistent. I'm just getting all these discoveries real quick. I don't know what these vortexes are either. Alright, where's this guy that was shooting at me? The boy needs to go for this play real quick. Oh, I see him. Boxed up, shorty. Switch, bitch, switch. Uh-oh. Not good. Not good. Not good. Oh, I forgot I have this fucking grappler. Big claps. Purple hunting rifle? Let's go. Yeah, these fucking notifications got to go, dude.
Yeah, I didn't know if that was like, I don't know what that was.
Somebody dancing on me or something.
Like all around your reticle too.
Look at this dude. Is that to the fucking thing? I don't know, man. I don't like this water though.
Quickness.
Yeah, what the fuck is that about, bro? I guess the shark's attack?
Hey, you see that shark jump on land when you're looking at those guys from the helipad?
No.
It like jumped on the land and tried to bite them.
Yeah, another launch pad. Your boy is losing some frames out here. Not a fan. Gotta get that XP coin. Shit matters now. Oh, hell no. God damn it. Yeah, I am losing the frames. What? Get a chug jug. Where is this last dude? Oh, found him. That was probably a big mistake, buddy. Wow, not one of my shots hit. I don't want to give him time to heal up, but damn. Oh, let's get it!
Dub, baby.
First dub of the season. Boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, 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 boom. 70 limbs, I'll take it. I was definitely shaking towards the end there. It feels like the old times.